Hello guys, good morning. As you can see, my beard is long, and so I will go to have my beard cut. So let's go to cut my beard. Okay, as you can see, I will go to save. So guys, as you can see, I am standing on the bridge. This bridge name is Stubble Bridge, and as you can see, this is a river, and this river name is Bhagirathi, and this river is passing through Tadlapur, and this river adds in Kharkha river. So as you can see, please go there, and people are taking a bath there, and look at there, some women are washing clothes, and as you can see, this is a river, and so that side, look there, some people are taking bath there, and look at there. Look at there is a temple that is Har Har Mahadev temple, and people are taking a bath there. And as you can see, I am standing on the bridge, and there, cars are moving over the bridge. And that side, so there, and that side also cars are passing over the bridge. And now we are going to save, because as you can see, my beard is long, and that's why I am going to have my beard cut. So let's go. So as you can see, already I have reached at saloon. Right now I'll see it. So I have set to save my beard. So as you can see, the barber is shaving my beard. Just I want to trim my beard. Right now he is shaving. After shaving, he will trim the beard. So keep on watching. So guys, as you can see, I have had my beard trimmed, and now we are going home. And I hope I saw the road, and look at me. Show me. Handsome boy is sitting behind me. Handsome boy who is handling the camera. And hey, please show backside. So, and that is front side of the road. So I am cycling. Hey, show the cycle. Okay, one car is coming. And that is pump. Hey, pump, show that up. So there's already I have come to my house. As you can see, I am sitting on my bed. Now I will go to have a bath. My cameraman was handling the camera, so he was unable to use the camera perfectly. So no problem, one day will be perfect. So if you like the video, so please like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching. See you again in the next videos. Thanks, tata.